How you doing? Scotty Bear back with another episode of the Stupid Cooking Show. People have asked me, Scott, do you only eat shakes all day? No, not all day. But we are back today with something that I love more than anything, and that is Noosa. This is a cheat meal, and I definitely don't cheat much. Anyway, Noosa is a bit of a different type of yogurt. I think it is Australian. Who knew Australians send their yogurt? One thing that's notable about Noosa, other than being totally fucking awesome, is that it is expensive as fuck. So it is definitely priced appropriately. There's a lot of things I love about Noosa. One, it is when you cheat or have a cheat meal or decide to, go out and outside your diet and have something, you need a lot of payoff. And I believe Noosa has a lot of payoff other than you being broke as shit from paying for it. It is very, very wonderful. And I like to go for a bit of a topping also. That is what makes my stupid cooking shows so unique. You may be thinking, Scott, yogurt, that's not that groundbreaking. Well, you know what? Noosa here may not be all that fat-free. Actually, I think it's probably got a good amount of calories. However, when it comes to dieting, I like to think in terms of, cheat small. This is probably, yes, a little high in calories. However, it's probably doing better than like fucking Doritos or Captain Crunch or whatever. But Noosa is definitely awesome. Costs an arm and a leg. Like I said, it's probably about triple what you're paying for run-of-the-mill yogurt. Again, here, I like to go for a little bit extra on my Noosa because, it's like you said, when you're cheating on the meal diet, the meal plan, or whatever you're doing, the fact of the matter is you got to get payoff, because afterwards, what happens after you cheat on the diet, you think yourself, shit, man, fuck, I don't believe I just did that. It tastes horrible, get a nice horrible aftertaste in your mouth. The Noosa here is stick to your ribs like oatmeal. It's heavenly. It is those Australians know how to make yogurt. Who knew? But pretty good. They only come in a few flavors, I think, like lemon, which I love lemon, blueberry here, honey, coconut. I don't know, I don't do like product endorsements or anything, and Noosa's just definitely not paying me, but they should be, or at least let me use some discount coupons off this shit. Anyway, make sure you cheat small. Have a wonderful day.